tough. It's tough.
Yeah, ne? So right now, chat, we just woke up, ne? And we are going to work. Like I said, chat, we're gonna have a young bath, then we head to work, and then we still need to think about, we probably already have ideas about exercise for today, because the stream starts today at 9 and there's another one tomorrow and then Sunday. Woo! Okay. Friday, I'm expected to be at work, and then on weekends I have to create content like streaming. For instance, this weekend I have one of the biggest weekend. I'm streaming for 3 days in Cape Town. I'll be going to different areas around Cape Town, streaming with, of course, some of your favorites. You know what I'm saying? But I think the whole reason that I've made this vlog is because somewhere out there is a girl, is a guy that has given up on their passions. You see what I'm saying? Once you start getting responsibilities, once you start being a husband, being a wife, or being a son, being whatever, being an uncle, it's easy to forget yourself. It's easy to forget all your passions. Yeah, well, so this vlog, I want to just show you like a part of my life, you know what I'm saying? Like how difficult it is. For example, I'm in Swellendam. Swellendam is like 4 hours away from Paarl, and Paarl is an hour away from Cape Town. So I still have to drive 4 hours just to create this content. Yeah, well, I have no reason to do this. But I don't want my passions to die because I'm responsible for other people right now. That's what I'm saying. I did go to school, I did get my degree, but every time, yeah. Otherwise, chat, yo, I'm super excited about this weekend. Yo. Super turned up, super excited, you know what I'm saying? But first, like I'm saying, I need to go to work first, you know what I'm saying? Because that's how it is, you know? That's my bread and butter, you know what I'm saying? I have to go there. Yeah, because that is my bread and butter, you know? But yo, I don't know who's gatekeeping, to be honest. I don't know who's the gatekeeper. Is it society? Is it the younger generation? Because people who've done with school like myself, you know, like went to varsity and all that jazz, and then their mid 20s to their 30s, you know. The younger ones are like, yo, dog, you can't be doing that. You need to be doing that. You know, you are 40 years old. You can't be a streamer at 40 years old. You can't be this at this age. Why, dog? Why are you gatekeeping? Who says there's age into this thing? Who says, why can't a 50-year-old be a streamer? Because one day you're gonna be a 50-year-old too, bruh. And then you're gonna want to do something that is for the young people. And then the young people are gonna come for you and be like, yo, dog, this is, yes, there are sports for young people. There are things for young people, yes. But some things we should not always put everything as, I don't know if it's the young people or it's just society in general. You know what I'm saying? This is why a lot of people, they have quit on these things, their passions. Because people are gonna say, yo, dog, you are too old for this, what. Nah, fuck that, bruh. Me, I'm here to break those boundaries, bruh. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming with it because I'm sure there's a 40-year-old guy who just likes watching streams, and there's a wife nagging, like my husband does this and that. Let the guy be, bruh. Let the guy be. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people who are full of passions. But just because now they are not accepted in this world of creativity. Me, I've always wanted to create, but this card is missing out for me. You know what I'm saying? I should believe enough for me to create. But now, I think it's time to create. Yeah, well, and I'm trying to talk to Alama Hotman or but it is what it is. But except, Braz, wake up and just do what you want to do. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be this thing. Yeah, well, maybe we can learn a thing or two. Maybe that's what we need. We need a little bit of maturity in these things because not everybody is gonna do it the same way. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we need a little bit of maturity. You know, maybe we do need someone who is in that level, to feed us the content in that level. You know what I'm saying? Because we cannot all be fitting into the same content. Maybe some of us just like chilled vibes. But anyway, let's yada yada, more ching ching. Chat. So okay, I'm done crashing out. Right. So I'm going to work right now. You know what I'm saying? Love that place. Love that place so much. You know what I'm saying? It's my bread and butter, bruh. Yeah, well, everything that I am right now is because of that place. You know what I'm saying? I worked hard to be where I am, bruh. I worked super hard to be where I am. And I'm still pondering. I'm still working, bruh. Still pushing. It's not easy, but I'm still pushing. Somebody has to do it. So during the week, I'm at work. You know what I'm saying? On weekends, I have to dollar this thing. Otherwise, 3 days of streaming chat. Mwanaga. What's that? Okay. 17. So the vlog would continue after I clock out. Right now I need to go and log in and do my thing there. And then so Tibana Tina when I clock out. I'm saying. So I'm going now, chat. You know what I'm saying? See you later. Yeah. So excited. Coming back from work now, chat. You know, we're about to vibe all the way to where I was studying in it. But yeah, just came back from work now. We're gonna prepare. Yeah, boy. Pack. Because it's a 3-day thingy. You know what I'm saying, chat. So let me sit down a bit. So chat, right now, man, the vibes is gonna start packing. Just came back from work. We're gonna start packing for the trip. A few clothes. We have to also pack mics, PC, and all that jazz. Yeah, bro. Let's go, boy!
Fuck them made. Fuck them made straight out told.
We never go lamba, oh, we never go lamba. We never go lamba, we go fuck out the summer. We never go lamba, oh, we never go lamba. We never go lamba, oh, we never go lamba. We never go lamba, oh, we never go lamba. We never go lamba, we go fuck out the summer. We never go lamba, oh, we never go lamba. We never go lamba.
That's you.
It's a culture, baby. It's a culture, baby. We'll see, go. It's a culture, baby. 10 left, no problem. It's a culture, baby. You know what's up? You know what I'm saying? It's going to my girl, not. It's a culture, baby. KLT. Glue on my niggas. Here, go out. Huh? Zana. Hello. Culture. Yeah. Yeah.
Utenda wapi bra? Oh, ni bani hani ke, okay.
Excel otherwise. Easy. Excel mataki.
Sure.
You good?
What are you, bro?
Easy.
Inga.
Just be man. Man. Yo, feel too. Oh, okay. So, what's the say?
Oh yeah, not really. That's a Cape Town.
That's a good song.
Yeah, the fan of all. Yeah.
Okay, now enjoy
Type shit.
No, Max, I have to bring that chin. Always. I touch your arm, for real. Can't forget, touch your arm.
The green is.
Yeah, you know the stuff. You know the stuff. Can't leave it behind. See my truck. Ready. Alright, put us.
Okay.
Look it up.
Mas balik, man.
Yeah, yeah.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy etc. This is a pack lens and dance, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Please say it right, USAYA. I tell you in there. You get what I'm saying? It's a pack lens. It's a band. Quack. We never ulamba social shoot and funny no born system cute farming this open the party boots tell guesses my pillow my boots tell it abini to get confused baninzi kule game ndiyangena global asibuzi nakubane siyangena ku groups kudala sizama ndifuni isu okonto indoda ndifiti kwi groups Nice, come on. Come up. Next to your car.
You need to move it to the places where the
Which one? Ka?
Zonke bopaka ndalo vi.
Inside.
Lapha. Ethemba zami usiya a bit fast. Wale sibekile iPS yangu. Ndio. Sasa police. Guys have police. Attacking. I don't discipline my nyani yabo because you guys will smoke say god damn. Good is like some Oh, okay. This is Khalid, Balloon Leads. Now we use in the chat. Now the officials are not 2000. Yeah. So this is the main man, the screen man. And then this is the cameraman.
Of course. Type C. Thank you for watching Buffet 2. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to have the rest of the content, watch stream. What's up?